Cleaning and antiviral sanitization for London businesses. Feel free to download our safety checklist, how to stay open during the pandemic. I want to keep my business green, safe and eco-friendly, which is why I have chosen Fastklean for my commercial cleaning needs. This is what one of our loyal clients think about us. Clean and hygienic work environments are the new staple. If businesses wish to continue their operations during the COVID-19 pandemic, they need to demonstrate their compliance with the latest regulations. Fastklean puts your mind at ease by helping you meet all the requirements. Neglecting workplace hygiene is not possible anymore. What was once a matter of prestige and a way of keeping employees healthier and happier, it's now an absolutely must and necessity that no business leader can afford to ignore. In the world of today, neglecting workplace hygiene means putting lives at risk. Even if you fling your doors wide open, no one wants to be in an unsafe environment. The situation has given rise to a number of new health and safety regulations. Workplace cleaning is now one of the top priorities for business leaders worldwide, and the stakes have never been higher. To help keep your business running even in the heat of the COVID-19 pandemic, Fastklean's experts have compiled a simple and straightforward antiviral sanitization checklist. The company's antiviral sanitization procedures, explicitly designed to combat viral contamination, are the ideal solution for any small or medium-sized business owner in the UK who is looking to keep his or her businesses afloat during the pandemic. Feel free to download our safety checklist, how to reopen your business or how to stay open during the pandemic. We look forward to speaking with you soon and helping you in any way so you can continue operating in a safe and a healthy environment during the pandemic. Call us. We love to clean. We're waiting for your call.